Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with power and alignment. First, confirm the wireless pad is installed and functional. If it's aftermarket, check the fuse and connector. Turn the ignition to ACC or run so the pad receives accessory power. Remove thick or metal cases, those block charging. Place your phone on the pad with the camera or center of the device roughly centered over the pad's coil. Once done, look for the charging indicator LED or phone charging icon to confirm a connection. Now focus on a stable connection and heat management. Gently slide the phone a few millimeters until the phone displays the charging icon. Small shifts matter because coils must align. Make sure battery saver isn't limiting charge speed, and turn off any in-phone features that throttle wireless charging. Also, avoid placing metal objects or magnets near the pad because they can interrupt charging or overheat. If you have drive modes that cut accessory power, make sure they won't turn off the pad while you charge. Finish by verifying consistent charging behavior. Leave the phone on the pad for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch for steady charge percentage increase and stable LED indicators. If charging fails, first try another phone to isolate the problem, then inspect the pad's LED and check the fuse and wiring under the dash. Make sure no software battery restrictions are active. If issues persist, cycle the ignition or disconnect the accessory fuse briefly to reset the system before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.